So guys, if your car window gets stuck in the middle while lowering it like this, or it goes down very slowly, then keep watching, because in this video I am going to show you guys exactly how to solve this problem. And for that you will need a silicone lubricant like this. Now you don't have to use the same silicone lubricant, you buy whichever you get in the market. Now I have this Health Genie silicone lubricant with me here. Mostly this is used to lubricate treadmills. I will try to put a link of this in the description below. You can definitely go there and check it out by yourself. But you can use this for your power windows as well. It comes with this stick. Pull the stick out, open the cap and put the stick in the nozzle like this. Then you will have to come near the passage through which your power window slides up and down, and you will have to spray this lubricant in that channel. See that you do it on both the sides, like how I am doing here. Then you will have to bring up the glass and you will have to spray this lubricant on the glass as well where it slides down. You will have to do this from the inside and from the outside as well, like how I am doing here. You will have to only spray it where your glass touches the channel, the passage through which it slides, like how I am doing here. If this don't fix your problem, then you might have to replace the rubber which is there inside of the channels through which the glass slides. Now you'll have to go inside of your car and lower the window and get it up again. Do this twice, thrice, so that this lubricant will spread properly in the passage and the entire thing will get nice lubrication. Once you are done with this, wipe all the excess lubricant out that have fallen on the paint or on the plastics. Because if you keep your car in hot sun for too long, then because this spray has silicone in it, it might affect your paint a little bit. It only happens if you keep your car out in the hot sun for too long, guys. Otherwise, there won't be any problem. But we won't be taking any risks here. So wipe off all the excess lubricant which has fallen outside. See that you wipe on the inner side as well, especially on the plastics. And with that, you are done. And now your power windows will operate smoothly. Hoping that you found this video useful. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.